We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Toy drones may go only as far as 20 meters, whereas long-range drones can fly as far as many miles. You will find that there's a connection between how far drones can fly and how expensive they are. To name a few examples, the Holy Stone HS-300 RC range capability is 150 meters while DJI Spark can fly up to 1.24 miles.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.